Today we will be talking about Atkinson Finance Association and what do we expect from Atkinson Finance Association for upcoming 2 years that we would be involved in. Right now this is the most talked about association because they have the dynamics to move the university face from one end to the another, because I think this finance is the most talked about thing in the world and we have got the best faculty to deal with, but we have got to determine our goals and think what we want this association to do and what we want to achieve from this association as a unit. What are the goals of the organization that we are talking about? And the most important thing would be we would have to decide who would be the beneficiaries of this association. Well, not to mention that students would be the foremost beneficiary of this association, and definitely faculties would be benefited from this because this will give them a leverage to use students as a point where they can teach beyond the classes, and we would be learning something more what we learn in the class. And definitely the Atkinson community as a whole would be benefited. And then the business community, because this association would outreach to the business community and help them know more, get into more better shape, which would be beneficial. As we have been talking about who will be benefited, what we want to do, but we need to decide how do we do it. We would be doing it through panel discussions, discuss and share information with other associations, maybe with associations of different schools, develop a culture to contribute. As we know, blogs are getting into the most talked about thing. So we would try to get into such kind of scenario where our association contributes and get some more information from the other blogs and bring like-minded people together. When we talk about bring like-minded people together, we talk about finance on a broader perspective. Maybe people from HR have some kind of perspective about finance. We would bring all those people together on a common platform called AFA, that is Atkinson Finance Association. But now the question would be, since we have such big goals and aspirations, will we be able to do it? Yes, we can. What are the ingredients required to do it? We need commitment. Commitment from each of us to do it for the upcoming next 2 years. We need cooperation from each other. We need to cooperate from our end to the professors' end and to the community at large. We need to coordinate. If we coordinate, these achievements would really be coming thick and fast. But if we are talking about we are going to do these things, how would we measure whether we will be able to achieve what we are thinking of? Yes, we can, by a brand name. It will give Atkinson a brand name that will really put forward our university in the forefront